Are you looking for a portable swimming pool for your hotel, for your resort or farmhouse or maybe a villa? Then this is the right place. Do not skip this video, watch it till end. Let me introduce you to our Bestway APX portable ready-made swimming pool. The size of this swimming pool is 18 feet in length, 9 feet in the width and 4.4 feet in the height. Now a lot of customers ask about the material of this swimming pool. This pool is made up of two types of materials. One is your liner, this is the liner, and second is the metallic rods that you get with the pool. Now most customers also ask, what if some damage has happened to the liner, what will happen in that case? Any kind of damage happens to the liner, it can be easily repaired. This pool comes with the repair patches, which are self-adhesive tapes. You can instantly place it over the damaged area and it repairs instantly. Apart from that, we also have these rods in spares. If you need it, we can ship it to your address if some damage has happened to the rods. This swimming pool comes with the ladder, sand filter and the pool cover. So ladder is A-shaped ladder, so it helps people to go inside and outside of the pool very easily. So the filtration unit is a sand filter itself, so it helps you to maintain the ratio of dust inside the water. So it collects all the dust and it can be removed from the sand filter easily. And the third accessory is a swimming pool cover, which can be used to cover the pool at night. The commercial sizes starts from 16 feet and above. And the good part about this swimming pool is that it's very easy to install. No professional help needed or not even a single screwdriver is needed to set up this pool. It can be installed within 35 to 40 minutes without any prior experience. It's a DIY concept, easy to set up at home and even at the farmhouse as well. We dispatch our swimming pools all over India. We have our own branches in Hyderabad, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Kerala. So if you order any of the pool, it gets delivered to you and to your home address within 5 to 7 working days. As you can see, these pools are very much durable and can last up to 7 to 8 years very easily. To know more about the swimming pool range, you can visit our website aquafund.in. You will find a lot of sizes over there, and if you like what you see, so do not wait. Give a call on this number and order your pool today.